Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this guide, we will share easy steps that will allow you to record music or other types of audio playback when you're recording video with your iPhone's camera. You may have noticed that whenever you start recording video on your iPhone, the audio playback automatically gets paused. This is annoying, especially when you want to capture what's being played through your iPhone speaker or an external Bluetooth speaker in the video. You can easily fix this and make your iPhone record audio playback, or if you like, prevent your iPhone from recording audio playback by following these steps. Launch the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the camera option. Next, tap on Record Sound. When you're on the Record Sound page, make sure the toggle for Allow Audio Playback is turned on. If you don't want your iPhone to record audio playback and want it to pause it, then you should disable this toggle. That's it. This is how you can enable or disable Allow Audio Playback feature on your iPhone. If you found this tip helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.